Hello everyone, Sid the Baker here. This is a very short video showing you how to make one of these, a paper piping bag. And all you need is the non-stick baking paper. Let's see how we do it. I'm not going to say I'm a genius. Okay, so you've got non-stick paper, cut it into a triangle. The longest end for this bag is around about 12 inches. Just get your hand like that, thumb and forefinger, put it like that with the longest end going down that way, wrap it around your hand and it already starts to make a cone, you see. Now just slide that outside end up to that top corner and do the same with the inside bit. Get the pointy bit and pull that up to the top corner like that until you've got a nice cone. Fold the pointy bits in, just fold them in like that and rip it across the top just about half an inch, you see that? Fold one end outwards and one end inwards. That stops the bag from opening and bursting open. That will hold liquid, that will hold cream, that will hold anything you want. And there you have a paper piping bag.